Hello, and welcome to English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I am Lovely, and I am happy you are here today. Today, we talk about an idea that is very important for everything in your life, especially for learning a new language. We are talking about patience. Our topic today is simple. Be patient. Good things take time. If you are learning English right now, if you feel slow, or if you feel frustrated sometimes, please stay with me until the end. We will reflect on this important idea together. We live in a world that is very fast. We want instant results. We want everything now. This feeling is very normal. When you start learning English, you want to speak fluently tomorrow. You study a list of words today, you feel very motivated. But then, tomorrow, you forget some words. You forget a grammar rule. When this happens, you might feel disappointed. You might ask yourself, why is learning taking so much time? Why am I still making mistakes? This is the perfect moment to practice patience. What is patience? Patience is not waiting for things to change instantly. Patience is knowing that great things, like learning a new language, must take their natural, slow time. Learning English is not a quick one-day event. It is a journey, a long, useful, and very personal journey. Think about it like this. If you want to build a very tall building, a skyscraper, do you build the roof first? No. First, you must build the foundation. The foundation must be slow. It must be very strong. It must be firm. English grammar, your basic vocabulary, the ability to listen and understand simple sentences, these are your foundation. If you try to build the top too fast, the whole structure will be weak. If you practice slowly, focusing on understanding the simple ideas first, your foundation becomes very, very strong. This strong foundation will help you learn difficult things later. We learn through repetition. Repetition means doing something again and again. Maybe you learn a new word today. Then, tomorrow, you forget it. This is okay. This is normal for your brain. This is not failure. Your brain needs time to store the new information. The next week, you review the same word. The word is a little bit stronger in your mind. This is patience in action. You are teaching your brain slowly. You are allowing your memory to build step by step. So, give yourself permission to repeat the lessons. Give yourself permission to forget and try again. Your progress is not always a big, straight line going up. Sometimes your progress is a wiggly line. Sometimes you move forward, sometimes you pause, and sometimes you feel you go backward. But as long as you keep coming back to practice, you are still moving forward. You are still patient. Remember, small steps are the key to a long journey. If you study for 10 minutes every day, you make stronger progress than studying for 4 hours just one time per month. Small, consistent practice plus patience will bring success. Focus on what you can do right now. Can you listen to one simple podcast today? Yes, you can. Can you learn 3 new simple words today? Yes, you can. Be proud of those small, strong steps. They add up. They become big progress. And here is the most important thing. Be patient with yourself. Sometimes when we make a mistake, we are very unkind to ourselves. We say, "I am bad at this. I am slow." Stop that thinking immediately. Change the sentence. Say, "I made a mistake, but this is a natural part of learning. I am trying hard. I am getting better every single day." This gentle approach is essential. Patience is a kindness you show to yourself. Treat yourself like you would treat a good friend who is learning. Be supportive. Be patient. So, my friendly listener, if you feel discouraged this week, please remember these words. Good things take time. Your English skills are a good thing. Do not rush the process. Do not rush the enjoyment of learning. Keep practicing your slow, strong work. You are making real progress, even if you cannot see it every single day. Trust your process. Be patient with your time. You are doing wonderfully. Thank you for listening today. Keep learning, keep smiling, and we will talk again very soon.